Welcome. So all of you know that Loksova is going on. Loksova election is going on all over the India. So our experts recommended 11 stocks to buy long-term perspective, right? So Loksova will be the main agenda for some stocks or for the stock market as a whole. So what expert says accordingly, you can watch out here. Lok Sabha election is one of the biggest factor, and they are looking at all possible stocks that may yield hopping return in the medium to long term, right? So according to some expert, they think that stocks like infrastructure, defense, oil, power, and renewable energy, PSU, auto, and banking stocks, this will be the main stock in focus after the election. So they recommended some stocks, mainly 11 stock. You can see here. We will discuss the graphical representation, main technical analysis of this all stock, right? So first of all, we have 11 number stock, which is BEL, Bharat Electronic Limited. So come to this chart of BEL, search here BEL. So this is the graphical representation of chart of Bharat Electronic Limited, right? You can see the outperformance from April 2023. This stock is continuously increasing, right? Upward trending up to from level 89, from 2-digit number, now it is 3-digit number. Almost what percentage we can see here, we can measure from this point up to this level. So it is almost 163% profit, and now still this stock has huge potential for uptrend, right? Come to the next stock, stock 10, NTPC, right? So stock 9, NHPC, stock 8, Mahindra and Mahindra, stock 7, Maruti Suzuki. So this is the chart of Maruti Suzuki stock. So you can see in 2020 it was about 4,000 something. Now the stock made the high of 12,900. Currently is trading at 12,900, right? Come to the next question. Our next stock is ONGC. So this is the chart of ONGC. So from 2020, you can draw here also from 2022, from the level of 115-16, now it is 280-89, right? Like that performance. Stock Nong 5, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited or HAL. So this is the chart of HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. So from this point you can see the continuous uptrend of the stock, and still now the stock has potential for more uptrend. In case of banking sector or banking stock, we have ICICI Bank. So this is the graph of ICICI Bank. So from this point 2020, this is the stock is continuously uptrending momentum, right? Stock Nong 3, Axis Bank. So this is the chart of Axis Bank. You can see from 2020 the stock is continuously uptrend. Now here you can see the 4 point consecutively. So from this point the stock may may go upward trend for some point. Come State Bank of India, and the final and last stock, and most importantly we have Canara Bank, right? So these are the fundamentally strong and sound stock that will hugely depend on this result, and will have high uptrend potential. So you can go and search for this stock. The video is only for educational purpose. So before taking any investment decision, please consult with your investment advisor. Thank you for watching.